Boom shakalaka, happy Easter. Bitcoin on the verge of a breakout as Ethereum and Dogecoin are soon to follow. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why it is on the verge of a massive breakout and why Ethereum and Dogecoin are soon to follow. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 61, same as yesterday, pretty darn close to last week, but last month we were in fear. We are not in fear right now. The overall market sideways today, down just a little bit. Bitcoin at 27,884, Ethereum at 1834, BNB at 310, XRP 50 cents, Cardano 38 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, Polygon $1.10, and Solana 1997. Now, if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence, well, they would be Anchor Network, IoTeX, Volt Inu, TrueFi, and Ocean Protocol. And if you want to use token measures for yourself, use AI to pick out the best coins. There's a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin on the verge of breaking out of this massive wedge right here. As a matter of fact, this is a diamond pattern. If you extend it the other way, we'll be talking about that shortly. But we have this wedge set to break out by Thursday, the 13th. We're right now sitting on the bottom of it. Will we break down? Will we break up? I don't know. It's all in the cards. But you know what is going up? How about bonds, gold, silver? The recession trade is in the works, the most talked about recession ever, and precious metals, bonds, all rising as expected. As a matter of fact, PBOC, the People's Bank of China, buying gold aggressively for the first time since 2018. Now, if that doesn't send the price, I don't know what will. But you know what is good news? When gold price goes up, right now Bitcoin is very correlated to gold. So as gold price goes up, so will digital gold, Bitcoin. I know it's been a long time since anybody's called it that. But we were talking about earlier the diamond pattern for Bitcoin. Look out for any breakouts from a consolidation after a strong momentum uptrend on the Bitcoin chart. Nothing can stop the continuation trend after the breakouts. You can see strong uptrend right here, diamond pattern, and then massive breakout. We had a strong uptrend, diamond pattern, massive breakout. You could even have dancing here like Rocky and Apollo Ono right there above my head. Apollo Ono? No, I don't know. Anyways, today is Easter, and historically, Bitcoin has had very, very good Easters. If we take a look, every 3 to 4 years, Bitcoin recovers from a heavy bear market. Easter has typically been a starting point for the run in the upcoming weeks. We see Easter 2012, massive run, 225%. We see Easter in 2016, massive run, 100% gains. We see Easter in 2019, massive run, 167% gains. We have Easter 2023. Guess what? If we just see the smallest of these, that would put Bitcoin at roughly $54,000 in the next few months. That could be very big. We have right now, just taking a look at market stages, comparing where we are with previously, we are in the early bull phase where we go from the green to the yellow. Historically, that is early bull phase. Amazing accumulation territory, not a prediction, but a detection. And this is a time where we have slow upward progress until we get into the late bull, which is parabola territory, all up territory. But right now, a lot of people are losing faith. They're like, Bitcoin's been going sideways for 2 weeks. It's supposed to go all up all the time. What's with this sideways thing? Well, for the past few weeks, Bitcoin has been hovering around the range of $28,000, and volatility has been reduced to a minimum. You may think this is bearish, but take a quick look at times this has happened in the past cycle. When volatility returns, prepare for up. We see sideways movement, up, sideways movement, up, sideways movement, up, sideways movement, up. So when we are in bullish stages and we have sideways movement, it generally goes up. Not only that, if we take a look at the Bitcoin Nupple entering into the optimism anxiety range, you can see right here this yellow area after reaching $29,000. We're nearing the range of caution in the belief denial range where Bitcoin takes a pause, but this is only the beginning. The face melting phase 2 rally is coming. Bitcoin is not done. And historically, when Bitcoin has gone from capitulation, this green area, through hope and fear to optimism and anxiety, it generally continues going up much, much higher. So that brings us to this chart. Actually, some good news from a little bit of Bitcoin price stagnation. You can see here, back on March 11th, Bitcoin plummeted to the midline right down here, where we had a healthy midline pullback. Now, this is very interesting to note because when Bitcoin does this and pulls back to the midline, we have a very long, very extended parabolic run-up. But when Bitcoin breaks away from that midline very fast, we have parabolic growth and then mid-cycle bear market like we saw right there, or parabolic growth and then just longer bear market like we saw right there. So potentially, this slow progressive Bitcoin growth could allow a much stronger base for Bitcoin to grow to much higher numbers than we've ever expected. Not only Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. Never disregard a breakout from a downtrend that lasted longer than 1.5 years. This is exactly how it happened in 2019, where we had a downtrend for greater than 1.5 years, and then the price more than doubled in a few weeks and then went up a lot higher from that. So we see Ethereum breaking through a 1.5 year downtrend. Big moves coming soon. Altcoins will follow big, including Elon Musk's favorite, Dogecoin. Check this out. Breakout from a wedge right here, massive pump. How about this wedge right here? Could have a breakout all the way up to maybe 42-cent Dogecoin. That could be absolutely massive. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy, push that like button. Happy Easter to you all, and I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.